Hey everybody, it's Bobby here for you today. I've got a great recipe, fish fajitas. One of my favorite things. This is from Recipes from the Road, Deen Brothers cookbook. This is going back in time. In 2006, Jamie and I had a show called Road Tasted, and we traveled all over the country, and we went to, this particular recipe is inspired by going to, we were in California. We were at a place called Phil's Seafood Market, and gosh, it escapes me now. We went all over the country, but this is a recipe from our show Road Tasted in Recipes from the Road cookbook, which is a very good book, and it's full of great recipes. So I've got mahi here. I've got a few pieces, or a couple of pieces, and I've cut them. These were like 6-ounce pieces of fish, and I've cut them into strips, and we're just seasoning them with a little salt and pepper. And I've got a skillet hot over here on the stove top. Little olive oil, and we're gonna sear up our fish and make some fajitas with fresh avocado, some lime juice, and maybe some zest, a little salsa. Yeah. All right, here we go. Beautiful. We'll take good care of this, make sure not to burn it. Alrighty. Grab a pair of tongs. Why don't we go ahead and take a break. Come right back. Fish looks really, really good. It'll only take a few minutes in the skillet. Got some salsa. Our fajitas have been warmed up on the skillet. Be careful when you do this. Hope I don't make an example out of myself. A lot of people get cut trying to get the seed out of the avocado there. And then all you really need is just a spoon. That avocado is beautiful too, Teresa. We weren't sure. I thought, oh, this thing might not be ready, but it's really, really pretty. Spoon that out. I love avocados. I've told you all before, but we eat a lot of them at my house. A lot of them. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Beautiful. One piece stuck just a little bit and broke on me, but that's all right. Mahi is the perfect fish for a fish fajita. And these look nice, nice, nice. I'll go ahead and turn that off.
How do you know when mahi's cooked?
Looking at it for me.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
You can just tell the opaque kind of
just
goes away.
Just kind of looking at it. And you know, when you're looking at a 1/4 inch thickness on this fish, I put it on a medium-high skillet for, gosh, about 3 or 4 minutes per side, and that's ample time to cook it all the way through. So just by looking at it, you know, the one thing you don't want to do to fish is overcook it. And if you get good quality fish, you can undercook it just a little bit and have no worries at all. So that looks beautiful to me. Nice. Starting to tear up just a little bit, but We're gonna be okay. Beautiful. Nice. I love fresh fish. The avocado. And the lime. You know, lemon juice, lime juice for an avocado is just like a natural preservative. Not that this needs preserving because we're about to scarf it down. But that lime juice on the fish and the avocado together, really, really nice. Beautiful. And lunch is served. That looks really good. Really good.
That was so sweet of you to make us lunch.
You're welcome. Bon appetit, everyone. Beautiful fish fajitas, courtesy of the Deen brothers.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.